Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Smith Corona 1950s Sterling here, but I think the super silent and the silence that have this back panel all work the same way. That's what we're going to look at today, is removing this panel. Some people have some trouble with this. It's not that hard, it's just a little confusing. So it's on these two pivots, and these pivots are down here, and they look like screws. Well, they are screws, but you can't get access to them, so they're permanent screws. Part of the trouble is they got threads on them, and they have a tendency to hang up. The first thing to do is take off that spring right here. There's a spring on each side. This one's got this style. Some of them have a style that's on the side over here, but this one's got those styles. And all you got to do is manipulate that off like that, and manipulate this one off like that. Just get your spring hook in here and flip it out of the way like that, and flip this one out of the way like that. Now you can kind of see the pivots in here, so you can see the little screw pivot right there, but you can't get to the screw, and you can see the threads. So two things you can do: you can take a bender or any kind of tool, and then you can bend that black shaft right here. You can bend it that way like this, and it's come right off just like that. Then when you put it back on, just bend that back. Or here, I'll even put it back on. So we'll put it back on both sides, stick it on the side over here, find the hole, come on, there it is, and there it is. So I'll bend that back the way it was. So even if it's bent back straight, there's also a trick you can do, which is flex the whole panel back here. So it won't flex up here because of this ridge, but the bottom section will flex. So if you hold it here and flex it in the middle, you can flex it out of there too. Just gotta flex it and wiggle it, get it past those threads either side. Easier said than done, but there she is. So, and you just leave those little screws right in there. So those screws stay in place. See that one a little better over there. And same thing when you reverse it, you just flex it. I kind of like moving this arm, or maybe do a little bit of both. Maybe flex this arm over a little bit, or form that arm over and form it back. That's all you do, and just reconnect the springs. Reconnect real easy. All right, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.